Hello guys, this is Jonathan Steadman and today I'll be teaching you a binary code. Okay, so for number 2 we would have to do, so number 1 will be so we start from here guys, and this doubles up, so start with 1 and it'll be 2 and number 4 and it'll be 8 and it'll be 16, so it will double up from what goes up. Alright, let's work out the first one, shall we? So let me just do an introduction, okay? Computers are in those ones and zeros, and this is what we call for binary code. So when we do like programming with Python, C++, or whatever, like a high language, like high program language, then it'll be converted into a binary code, which a computer will understand and will display for software or program. If it does not get converted to binary code, then the computer will not understand what to do. Anyway, let me just show how to do some binary code. Alright, 64. So for that one, it's going to be a 0 because we cannot put 2 into 64. Okay, so next one will be 32. That will be a 0. Okay, and now for 16, that will also be a 0. 0. Okay. For number 8, we don't want number 8 to 0, but we are almost there. So number 4, we do not want number 4 because the 2 is too big. So let me just put down a 0 there. But now, this is where we're going to add a 1. And for this one, we're going to add 1 because we need 2. And to be able to get a 2, we need to put a 1 there. And if we put another 1 there, then it'll be 3. But we only want 2. So what we're going to do is put a 1 there, and this is kind of our answer in a minute. Okay, so for number 2, in binary code is 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then that'll be a 1 and a 0. So this is the number 2. So this is number 2 in binary code. Or let's do number 5 now. Okay guys, this time we're going to have 2 numbers. So now basically 64, because it's bigger than a 5, we put down a 0. And 32 is too big, so you still put a 0 down. Alright, for this one is still too big for 16, so we put a 0 down. And now for number 4, we want number 4, so we put a 1 there. And now for the next one, we are going to put a 0 because we want 5, we don't want 7 or 6, yeah. Okay, I'm going to put down a 0 there, and for number 1, we're going to put a 1 there. Okay, so a 1 goes there. So the answer for this one will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 1. So basically, this is binary code. 1, 2, 3. Forgot this one. So for number 8, we forgot, but that's fine. We can just add it in. So basically, this is what I call binary code. You can ignore those zeros at front because they're not really needed, because you know they don't need to be there. So all I need to put down is this, and that will still be equals to 5. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is carry on doing it. So for 64, for number 17, we can't do that because it's too big. So put down a 0. And now we need to put down a 0 there, because 32 is too big. Okay, now for 16, we need to put down a 1. So we need to put down a 1. And this one is quite different from the other ones, because 16, now we've got 16. So let's put down 16 down there. So this is how much we've got at the moment, and we need to find out if okay, so 8 is too big because we want to get up to 17. So for us to get to number 17, we will need to have a 1 in for 1 area, because 4 and 2 is too big. As you guys can see, an 8 is too big. So what I'm going to do is put down a 0 there, and then I will also put a 0 over there, and then A 2 would be also be a 0. I know it does look terrible, but I'm just want to teach you guys what is binary code and how to do it. Alright, so let's put 1 there. Alright. So basically now, the answer for that one will be 1, 2, and then 1, and then we want to put down 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and now 1. Alright. So now we want to find out what it would 96 would be equals to 96, yeah. Alright, let me just make this arrow a lot more bigger though. Because when I, oh my god, this is so annoying. Okay. Let me just drag this down. Okay. Binary code is not that difficult. So it's kind of like a simple math sort of thing. We'll start learning it in schools and stuff like that. Alright, I'm going to make this bigger so that way I can put all of the information in here. Alright, okay. Now if I do that, okay. Okay, that is good so far. So 64, we want that. We want that. What I normally do, guys, though, is that I normally have a calculator out for this one because that one is a big number. So I would have a calculator up, and I got 9 already. Alright, okay. Let me just work this one out. So 64 plus 32, and that would equals to 69, 96. So basically, we could add these two there. So that would be a 1, 1. And then 5 will also be a 0, which I will just do like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the rest will just be a bunch of zeros. Like this. Okay, so for 96, it will be 1, 1, and then it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is all of them I got. Okay, so we worked out what number 2 is in binary code. We worked out what is 5 in binary code, and we worked out what is 17 in binary code. We also found out what is 96 in binary code. So guys, I'm going to end the episode here, and I hope that you guys liked the video. And yeah, I may see you guys deep in the future. Bye.